This is cooking day. This is the inlet float box. Garden hose here is coming off the storage tank where pure raw cold sap is coming in. It's adjusted by this automated float here. It goes into this fan where the first boil happens, first exposure to heat, rotates through there in the different channels, comes over here. This one maintains the sap depth right there. That's the transfer float box. That comes into the front pan, and then you can see here, there's a raging fire going down in there. I don't know if you can make that out all that well. And then over here is simplicity draw off system. When that reaches 216 in this case, which is 7 degrees above boiling for us here at this altitude, it will start to automatically fill the bucket here, pure raw product. Or when that gauge there reaches 7, which is 7 degrees above boiling.